This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're logged in and ready. Open the site dashboard and click Products, then add New Product to start. Pick Physical or Digital. This defines inventory and shipping fields. Enter a clear product name and short description so customers know what it is at a glance. Add a base price and SKU now to keep listings consistent. Once done, save the draft to avoid data loss and move to Media and Options. This creates the placeholder you'll build on in the next steps. Now enrich the product. Upload several images and choose a cover photo so the product displays well. Add variants for size or color, assign individual SKUs and prices where needed. Variants drive inventory tracking. Configure inventory quantities and low stock notifications to prevent overselling. Enter weight and dimensions if you'll use calculated shipping rates. Once done, fill SEO fields, title, meta description, URL slug, so the product is discoverable. Save changes and proceed to pricing, tax. Finish by choosing visibility, hide members only or publish live, then click publish to push changes to the live site. Preview the product page and run a test checkout to confirm images, variants, prices, shipping, and taxes work together. Make sure the product is assigned to at least one collection or category so it appears in store pages. If the product doesn't show, clear site cache, confirm collection assignment, and ensure inventory track inventory isn't set to 0. This often resolves visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.